Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you resize images on your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have. So go ahead and click the website where you want to resize the images for. So after clicking the website, now this will open up our website in the page and we'll be able to edit our website. So guys, the first thing you want to do to edit your images, go ahead and click this edit button in the upper left corner right here. So guys, go ahead and click on edit and now this will open up our website in editor mode. So go ahead and find the image that you want to edit. So let's go ahead and say this is the image that we want to resize. So guys, all you have to do is put your mouse on the image and click on it once. After clicking on it once guys, now you can see that these borders appear that will enable you to edit your website. So guys, go ahead and click on this upper corner right here in any corner that you want and just click on it to resize it and drag it however you want. After clicking on it and you're satisfied with the size guys, after you're satisfied, just click somewhere else to exit out and that's that guys. After doing that, go ahead to the upper left corner, click on save, and now guys, our changes have been saved and we have successfully resized our image. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.